I'm Amberly, and we're gonna rip some packs. This is today's vending machine score. I got this from 3 different machines. Every store I went to was a hit. 3 Journey Together pack. Holy shit. I like him anyway. 2 megas. Mega Evolutions. Here we go. Mega Lucario. This is like my 3rd one of this. Possibly 4th. I got too many. 2 Surging Sparks. Ooh. Amulet of Hope. Love those cards. 4 Phantasmal Flames. Featuring Jack Skellington. Oh! Toxtricity! Gentle Slap. I can dig it. Sinister Surge. I like her. Nice. That's a cool one. Empoleon. Thanks for ripping with me.